once again crampo no okay question back ni e di ntina Muhammad ne father owo bonsam James CCA e di ntina Muhammad father owo bonsam James obi betima ma ya answer no Idrisu Muhammad mechiao Idrisu Muhammad no waka kire amafo wo se mon share mesrem a mon share na mon like page no mon share mon invite amafo okay e di ntina Muhammad ne parents e wo bonsam James according to this hadith we say the ne father wo bonsam James e di be ntra because say Quran say okay on punish obi Allah say on punish obi say one fa messenger bi ambre wo ma on punish he never punishes somebody onya fa messenger bi ambre no mo me Quran chapter 17 honom no mo amu hwe bi okay na mo hwe confusion e wo Islam mu any contradiction just what trans now analyze some way apart from say we do akoma be di akire ni pa de okay be say wo kasa wo de adwene ene bia logic di akire a wo be jai sisi mo me hear verse we say okay whoever goes right then he goes right only for the benefit for his own self it is ene kasa wa say okay and whoever goes astray then he goes astray to his own loss. No one laden with burden can burst another burden. Just obi so obi born no. Kind of verse ne kan say no. But I intro you say I'm for born in Islam. And we never punish Tibi Allah Tibi Muhammad Tibi the Quran ne kan say no. And we never punish until we have sent a messenger, okay, to give warning. Samatibi. And we never punish. Where Allah's statement no. It's for me contradiction. Any confusion in what Islam will say. Allah say, we never punish until we have sent a messenger to give warning. Until onyan send a messenger bia, obena wa punish obi. Until edena Muhammad ne father no oda bonsam James is here. Messenger ben e ba ne honum. Messenger ben e ba Muhammad ne father honum a eno nti o punish Muhammad father na yesi Muhammad father da bonsam James no. Somebody say na when the name answer we say messenger ben the bar Muhammad ne father honoma enu nti ye punish Muhammad is here no asama prat me fine okay brother and say may you good me boy Simona I style some style because them I feel so sad the last days no how Ghana situation e kokko honoma na mempe kura ampo okay but mahunza amafo bi so the aye videos of first program we hono the e kokko so Ghana honoma no very bad. Asama prat me that say okay so busa sere me hotie me that pan den na Muhammad ne father o ko bonsam Jem say Allah nyan send messenger bi ambre no honoma den na Muhammad father ko bonsam Jem enzete bia me mamo verses no ya me pese mo twere verse no to honomo me mamo step by step verses it take a time near analyzing the no na me the verse number 2 honom say the bia wo hunu bi mema obi and that Again, Tina Quran can say, and we never punish until we have sent a messenger. So I would say, we have sent a messenger to give warning. And the Allah Patre say, so when you send a messenger, be a man warning there, he will not punish you because you didn't know. And he said, Muhammad, ne father the head the bonsam jema, messenger ben a corner one of them, ne father that bonsam jema. Because Muhammad, ne father, Muhammad, on way Arabia for. Because say at the country I may boss our point we say the same Quran na yet say Muhammad is the first messenger was sent to Arabia for honom. And what you say Quran nekasa o me the Quran let the Quran speak. Quran nekasa wa say Quran chapter 34 okay verse number 44 mo me hear the show. Let the Quran speak. Quran is speaking for itself. And we had not given them no, that is the pagans, no, Arabians, no, and we had not given them scriptures which they could study. Not your mom scripture be they could study, nor sent to them before you, Muhammad, any warner. And to the Arabians, no, we can for the Arabians, no. Ale Patre say before Muhammad, no, na on sendi obianyan koma omo. Some muti statement ni bion. Before Muhammad no na Allah say onyan sendi obian koma mo enkoma awomo enti eri na Muhammad ne father no oda bonsam Jem na Quran na so odi anka me ate say on punish obi say wonyan send message bi ankoma na on punish obi a. Quran chapter 17 verse number 15. And the cancel statement we say no, and we never punish until we have sent a messenger. It's a Muhammad ni father ne wo bonsem jema hono na punishment and I say a reward. Yeah, mama musa questions. Mashallah na does too much. Allahu akbar na does so. Allahu akbar na does in here explanation. Sema mun share mun tag am for. Say Muhammad say ono enyem na make asa. And I'm going to say Muhammad, sa asem we are working on. It was wonya inspiration from Nyankopon honom because Muhammad or one want to be who ade wo ebeko hell and asen ko hell. Say Nyankopon nkan kire na ontimi nim. And say Allah, Muhammad the kan kire say, "Only father, my father and your father are in hell." Omo hell honom na a punishment and I say a good reward no. In the Quran na kan kire wo say he never punish, unpunish will be and we never statement never no and so where is will meaning or because never it will meaning it is everlasting so or because I will never do this na oye the okan na which means we bu the okan so no enti nyankopon no nim da achi asem no nim ewiase bibia asem no ono ka say never it means never so what you say na me nipa metima ka say me kwakọ wale and I will never divorce my wife. Me this have good intention when I'm a call. So it is me go pay juma na because I will never quit this job. Me the good intention na call but me ko ra company mu honom na me hunu how a company near bad na mistreatment or me dey ma me na. Obo say me metima change my margin because me nipa. And even though say before because I will never quit this job. So omo fa me juma we ma I will never quit. Say me wale oba we ya I will never divorce. Me ye say ya I will never do this now. Me ye nipa me metima we do level bia. Na my quete na my breaking me ame de me kan no but Nyankopon na onim da achi ne ka say and we never punish never punish her. Okay na ye hunu say Muhammad the crampo na ne father da bonsem jema a punishment and I say a reward and the Quran na say kire wo ha say Muhammad was the first to be sent to the Arabians, the Arabs no. Muhammad was the one to be sent to no omuni book bia mo bi. And we had not given them them scriptures. No, Muhammad I say for no. You heard tafsir no, okay? Quran 34:44. Me heard tafsir no, you heard the tafsir ne kan. Because I'm for because ebia me Dimitri me ka say ebia me wrong. Me wrong na man for hunu bi 34:44. You heard the e kan honom. Okay? And we did not give them any scripture to study, nor sent anyone before you. So you heard the tafsir ne kan e ha say okay mesema amon share mun bie masum na mun tie bi okay mun hwe bi o we Ibn Abbas once again enye seto na ekasa and we have given them i.e. the disbelievers of Mecca no scriptures which they studied. So they had the disbelievers of Mecca they had no scriptures in which they recited that which they claim. Nor sent we unto them before thee, Muhammad, any warner. And according to almost scholars, no, before Muhammad, no, na Allah won't send thee any warner to the people of Mecca. So what you're saying now, before Muhammad, na yenyan send thee any warner to the people of Mecca, according to Ibn Abbas. And Muhammad, ni father no come Mecca for one, and no come Mecca for one who be. You see, our Bonsem James is here now, or pray nine, say, or pray nine, so where they or minimum say, minimum the oil or honum de. But the Quran is so I can declare no to where Quranic verse na me de chemo, where your mama's scholars na me de chemo no. Muhammad was the first messenger he sent to come and Mecca for in the Arabians for no. Muhammad, I know the scripture ne buy. You read the next call and so kind, okay? And we did not give them any scripture for them to study, nor did we send them any warner before you. So on what grounds do they deny you, Muhammad? And ye kasafana hon. Someone how I me mad in a clear me pesa man for me pesa obi ebe frem no ka chem say me yede me keka nsem hunu. Ye hwe Ibn Kathir and go say no. The saying of the disbelievers about the prophet and its refutation. Allah tell us that the disbelievers deserve to be severely punished, okay, by him. And then I have said the name in Yame, you verse na ankasa. Verse ni okay. Odinkan akwan kakra ansa na Bible duru honom because these believers na omunji Muhammad indi. Obviously Muhammad or the story be or the enema bi a atwetwam ancient stories bi na odi beka ka kire wo and other the verse ne by and we had not given them scriptures that they could study nor sent to them before you any warner, meaning Allah did not reveal any book to the Arabs before the Quran. Allah did not reveal any book before to the Arabs before the Quran. And to a clear statement, and he did not, and he did not send any prophet to them before Muhammad. Somewhat to be where a clear statement and the Guaseno, and yes, a toe statement where Ibn Kathir and a Ekasa, and before Muhammad, no, now Arabs no many book be before Muhammad, no, now Arabs or Munya messenger be Munya will be over one or Mubiano, and then Muhammad never the number on Jim. Simple question. Ekoban is saying, and Muhammad ne papa ewo bonsem jem adia Quran so say onyan sende one be ambrewa and we have never punished until we have sent a messenger. Man, it's about time say you be sincere to ourselves. So what say na analyzing test ni kan okre no maybe a telephone lines this is maybe a tum. They may can be say misunderstanding. Say just say Arabic ni say different okay friend never trace is here. Enti egumu clear no. And yes we crampo na problem no crampo no. Say you can't test we say na e me yati say Quran chapter 17 verse number 15 no me yati say Allah say on punish will be as onyan send messenger. Quran chapter 34 verse number 44 e me yati say Arabs no omunya book bia omunya scripture bia omunya messenger bia na Muhammad and as a first messenger for them. Somebody say Muhammad and a first messenger for them. The same Quran so am yeti say your friend papa be Abraham. Na Abraham ne ba Ishmael or mo ba krobi so your friend ho Mecca ba be si ku ade be friend Kaaba. Some who come confusion and to see Abraham wa ba Mecca honom da na say o ma hoda. Therefore, wow, feel program. Mami who like or like. I don't know so. Mami who like on Facebook on them, YouTube on them. Who me like in this mami Mr. Mon share, mon target. Abraham. You see, Abraham no about make a hold and I saw make a hold. Why the basic cover no? Statement ni go screen is so clear. You see, mami who be say according to Quran chapter 34, the Muhammad ni first warner for the people of Arabs no. Muhammad they the first one, but the same Muslims say Abraham so ba Mecca honum oba be see Kaaba honum no oba no ye one and say no nya one or na say we architect keke or ne ba Ishmael. Abraham so a prophet. Abraham was a prophet. Abraham no or one book or no so one scripture or use. I for verse English screen so ye ba ye verses according verses to verses. Quran chapter 2 surah to Bakra. Okay, verse number 127. Yanko honum fast. Muhebi. Aya mun church notice no. Na mo fantata malams no. Anatina Quran e ka say o ha say. No o ka say o ha say. No o ka say o ha say. Is there a way a contradiction clear no? Say Abraham wa ba make honum that ya, which means the people of Arabs no made in Kenya one that before. It's the Quranic verse ba kono Quran o ka say Muhammad the first one no. A contradiction. Is there one again correct? When we Quran chapter 2, verse number 127, in a good screen is okay. And remember, when Abraham, and his son Ishmael, okay, were raising the foundation of the house, the Kaaba at Mecca. And Abraham, then ba Ishmael prophet Abraham, or then ba Ishmael, also a prophet say, but we know about Mecca honum before. And Muhammad is not the first one, and answer is Muhammad the first one, or ba honum. Someone who how you analyze the corner until I miss a book we say no a pure man made a free Yankopon be a honum. A free Yankopon honoma that by expenditure was saying okay. It is here no cre Quran chapter 34 surah to Saba. Can't try say they were not giving any scriptures, they were not give why the people of Arabs no Musa Ishmael Muhammad Ishmael as if for And Ishmael by no any Abraham by no the scriptures by no some scripture bi ama. Etiefo omo the scriptures by no some scriptures bi ama. Saying the Quran can say yes, Abraham the scriptures by. Quran can say Abraham or the scriptures by. It is here a prove chemo contradiction e was e book we say mono. Brother be fana video be explain it yen. Be educate se to. Quran 87:19. Okay, 19 the last one. Quran 87:19. 87:19 and the go on the scriptures of Ibrahim and Musa and Moses. Scriptures of Ibrahim na emphasis say. Quran in a claim on Yamana Mekasa. Quran, let the Quran speak. Quran is speaking. Quran is say Abraham, not our scriptures, our tablet. He had something, he had a message, not our tablet. Abraham. Any Moses, no meaning no more tablet. He say Moses, any a Torah. Abraham need any emphasis say, I want him. Someone who how I it we say a clear no. So we are sincere to self, okay? Now we join Islam no because unim say efri Nyankopon honom na e ope osum bia soma me say Islam. Ubenya hu stories on beka ka kire wo. And so bia amfra ha say me kire we ase.